but we need to wake up. Some players have to really to wake up quickly. Okay, I have to give credit to CBC, to Shane. Of course, they went to the World Cup and they are playing every games, you know. But the other ones, they need to wake up, because me, I don't have time. They need really to wake up, because now it's an emergency. No, you know, I think the intention to go forward was there, but I think we were too much in rush. Lot of technical errors, lot of wrong decision. So, you know, it's like I didn't recognize my team, you know. If it's maybe the crowded, you know, we had today maybe, I don't know, 20,000 fans.
Orlando Pirates coach Abdusalam Wadu was left frustrated after the Buccaneers were held to a 1-1 draw by AmaZulu at Kings Park Stadium on Wednesday night. Pirates made a bright start and took the lead as early as the 7th minute through Tsepang Moremi. However, despite enjoying periods of dominance, the reigning Betway Premiership champions were unable to turn their advantage into a decisive second goal. AmaZulu were handed a lifeline shortly before halftime when Kgamogelo Sebelebele brought down Mlundi Mbanjwa inside the penalty area. Referee Luxolo Badi immediately pointed to the spot, and Thandolwenkosi Ngwenya made no mistake from 12 yards to restore parity. The hosts thought they had completed a first half turnaround when Mbanjwa found the back of the net, but the goal was ruled out for offside. Pirates pushed for a winner after the interval, but AmaZulu stood firm to secure a valuable point on home soil. The result leaves Pirates with 4 points from their opening 2 league matches following their 2-1 victory over Milford on the opening day. AmaZulu have also collected 4 points, having begun their campaign with a 1-0 win over Stellenbosch. Wadu admitted his side should have taken more from the encounter, but praised AmaZulu for making life difficult for the champions, and said, "I love my team and I will say that we certainly deserved more. I will talk about the second half because that's when we played better, not the first half. We should have done better, but credit must go to AmaZulu. They are not an easy side to face. They are well coached. I like their coach Arthur Zwane. He's one of the best in the league and very humble." For Pirates, the draw represents an early setback in their title defense, with Wadu now tasked with ensuring his side become more clinical when opportunities arise. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.